Ijele Kpai inside prison. My people, come hear the latest update o. As my fans don dey ask me, hey, Balabas, Oga Balabas, you know they talk about Ijele again. What is happening? You wan know whether the guy don kpai? Now I come say, hey, na so una dey do for here. So una wan make this guy kpai today, tomorrow. Na be the best news wey una wan hear. They say, Oga Balabas, you must go find out o. Na I carry my waka o. Enter that place, say I find out wetin dey go on. They say as e be like this now, Ijele dey under medication 24 hours. Say if you no go, if he kpai the next day o. I can't say this life no balance. So you see, you wey dey for this social media, you no use your brain. You just say it's by categorizing your own people. Say you are the best. If you ask me what Ijele dey fight for, no be for Nigeria. Why the Nigeria still hold am? Na be the thing. So hence you are an Igbo man. They use you, they go dump you because they no trust you. They know say you don't know their weakest points, and they go, if you use am against them, they go first use am against you. Now wetin happen to Ijele? And e get many people like this one wey dey talk for this video wey I go bring come for you now. Now this is a lesson to them as well. Make I bring this video up more and I see the latest condition of Ijele as we dey talk right now. My people, no go anywhere. Just carry chair, sit down. A lot of story dey here. You go say this one where they see Bobrisky, very dark man, and Don Jazzy for here. Just carry chair, sit down. A lot of story day today wey I go yarn you. Things are happening in this country. If you ask me, I go tell you say that demons have real estate in Nigeria. That's why they no wan pack comot upon the whole prayer wey they pray for this country. Now watch the video, the condition of Ijele, before we jump to inside this ogbonge news.
To hospital, rush him to hospital. Ijele spent 3 weeks plus in the hospital where he was diagnosed of serious problem. Remember, I told you what Ebuka said. That Ebuka said that anybody who criticizes him will lose some part in his body. In fact, Ebuka said he will lose his kidney. So right now, Ijele is battling a serious life and death situation. So he was returned. As I'm talking to you, Ijele have to visit certain hospital 2 times a week in order to survive right now. And these enemies, this wicked, these vultures, this undesirable element are not done. They are still planning and fighting on how to take Ijele to the east, where it will be easy for them to do whatever they want to do. So the case was finally taken to High Court.
My people, when I don't hear am no be small thing. A lot of people don't they ask about Ijele. And I don't hear the situation where Ijele dey inside. So now be this, so now say I come bring, I come share now, because we will still they follow the whole matter. The waka and our work be that. My people, now let us jump inside this ogbonge news. May you see say the country where you dey inside. Many people there another level. You still say you dey for this. They say that this one Amadi, where they call Bobrisky. They say Bobrisky, they say the man, now they give power to Nigerian politicians. This one no come from my mouth. They say as those people, they popo him, now so that they get more power. That's why I see, now they say, like say, now may PC come hold the camp power where they hold now for Nigeria, no be me talk more allegedly. My people, let me bring you the video where this man, they explain how they do this thing in weekend before we come continue.
Somebody sent me a video, a politician, a renowned politician, sent me a text. A very big politician, I won't call his name, and I won't call the position he's holding. So, and he told me that I should read this thing out. He said, "Good evening, sir. Sir, there is a cult in Nigeria whose members that are male sleep with male in Nigeria to renew that political control. They are not homosexuals by nature, but they are made to have sexual intercourse with fellow men so as to keep being politically relevant. They do this intercourse 3 times a year. I believe Bob is their pimp. He is among those being slept with, along with some other gays. Are you aware he does parties without camera? Those parties are being organized and funded by those cult members during their constant rituals. Nothing will happen to Bobrisky. Some of you do not know that this country is controlled by men who sleep with men to regain political control, and Bobrisky is their pimp. Whenever those cult members want to sleep with men so as to renew their power, they pay Bobrisky millions. Bobrisky, on the other hand, will supply them all their consignment. Sometimes they will organize a party through Bob and come to fish out their men to renew their claim. This is a classical information. Keep it secret, otherwise you might be sued if you divulge it. Even though you want to divulge it, use wisdom. I am reading it exactly as it was sent to me. Now, the part that got me very interested is this thing, which is the last paragraph, the second to the last paragraph. Say, whenever these cult members want to sleep with men so as to renew their power, they pay Bobrisky millions. Bobrisky, on the other hand, will supply them all their consignments. Sometimes they will organize a party through Bob and come to fish out other men to renew their claim. Now, everything here in this video is alleged. It's alleged. It's an opinion. It's not it's just an allegation. It's alleged. It's not substantiated. But this is what was sent to me, and I said, let me read it out. So, because when you are beginning to wonder, where is Bobrisky having money to do all the videos, to spend all the videos, the flaunt monies around? I think this paragraph clearly explains it all. So, I don't intend to say too much, but I urge Nigerians to stand firm and protect the culture that we've been used to. The culture that I know is man marrying a woman and having children and dying peacefully, and their children take care of them. That is the culture I know. Any culture that suggests same-sex attraction, I have never been part of it. I'll use my last breath to fight and save the image of the prick. Because me and a prick I get, I can only say what I have. So prick to me is a very dear companion. It's the only thing I know that God took time to create. The fact that people can subject prick into the horrendous torture of chuking it yash to undergo smelly condition, it's repulsive, it's irritating, it's annoying, it's disgusting. So I cannot stand by and see our precious prick being subjected to this ridiculousness that is called homo. That I cannot stand and watch it. Now, we are being ruled. I think there's a cult that is in control of our affairs. And the earlier we fight against it, the better for us. Because these people don't care whether our roads are bad, whether our hospitals are not functioning, whether our transport system is not functioning. They don't just care. If you like, you cry here to tomorrow that, look, my brother, I don't know if it's just me, but I don't know if you know how expensive it is to live now. I have a family of, we are a family of 4 here. But I can tell you that 10,000 naira will not feed us a day. Barely. We survive on 10,000. Just feeding alone. We are not talking about other expenses such as light bill, house rent, transportation, clothing, toiletries, and all of that. Just feeding alone. Now we cannot continue like this. We totally cannot continue like this. And to think that the more the country is deteriorating, some people still find a space to accommodate tribal hatred, religious hatred, beats my imagination. Completely beats my imagination.
Things are really happening in this life where we dey inside. Things where they have where me and you no know. You no go fit to know. You see am? So I tell you that even if you even read, just go and do research. I want you to do research about this thing. You see all those people wey don to gay, lesbian, you no fit win them for case o. You no go fit win them. It take you to be a strong person. The way these people belong is very far from what you are seeing. So as this man they talk this in, na so it be. Nigeria where they see today, it dey another level. Church where dey Nigeria reach 100 billion. But the most evil thing at that place dey happen. Does that mean that God are not hearing all this prayer we are praying? No. Because demons get real estate for the whole Nigerians. That's why. So they don't hear them. The politicians, we suppose go talk for you. What is even politicians say? People supposed go stand for you, represent you, bring your right, put it in place so that everybody will feel okay. See what thing that they use your money, they do. They use your money, they go the holy kenshi. My people, I bet more na share this video as it dey hot and make sure say you follow this channel for more updates. Guys, we have a new channel called Balaba This Vlog. Remember that we created one last 2 months. So they carry their wahala, pursue the channel until they carry and down. So this one, they don't go succeed again. So we have a new channel. Please follow us on that new channel. Let it be massive. Follow us. Thank you guys.